Introduction of Science Education. Nature and concept. Science is defined as the observation, identification, description, experimental investigation, and theoretical explanation of phenomena. Now, characteristics of science. Science is a process for producing knowledge. Science knowledge is durable. Science is both a body of knowledge and a process. Importance of science in the field of agriculture and food resources, in the field of industry, in the field of alternate sources of energy. Now, importance of science as teaching subject. Usefulness in daily life, disciplinary values, intellectual values, moral values, and cultural values. Now, scope of science: geology, ornomatics, architect, medicine, medical technology, engineering, forestry, stats, and merchant navy. Aims and objectives of science education at elementary level. Firstly, we are discuss about aims: knowledge aim, cultural aim, social aim, practical aim, development of scientific attitude, vocational aim, utilization of leisure time by cultivating scientific, helpful in study of other subjects, psychological sound. Now objectives. Instructional objectives, emphasis is the students' behavioral objectives, educational objectives by Bloom's approach, cognitive domain, affective domain, and psychomotor domain. Now scientific knowledge. A scientific body of knowledge consists of those concepts and statements that scientific consider useful for achieving the purpose of science. Characteristics of scientific knowledge: objectivity, systematic exploration, variability, reliability, ethically neutral, precision, abstractness, accuracy, and predictability. Now we are going to discuss about deductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning or deduction starts out with a general statement or hypothesis and examines the possibilities to reach a specific logical condition. Characteristics of deductive reasoning. The deductive conclusions were confirmed and verified by experience. Deductive reasoning works from the more general to the specific. This is informally called to down approach. Conclusion follows logically from premises. Now advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: lesson becomes straight to the point. Second, many rules can be more explicitly and quickly explained. Next, allow more time for practice and applications, so many time saving. Disadvantages: this method is quite formal. It encourages the belief that learning is simply a case of knowing the rules. Last, this method is based on teacher-centered approaches, hence lesson approach. Now, inductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning works the other way, moving from specific observation to the broader. Characteristics of inductive reasoning: involves a degree of uncertainty. Induction is usually described as moving from specific to the general. Observation tend to be used for inductive arguments. Inductive tend to be used for inductive arguments established through a set of observation leading to a generalization which is known as a premises. Now, advantages and disadvantages of inductive reasoning. Firstly, advantages: meaningful, memorable lesson, students discover themselves, stimulates students' cognitive abilities, active and interesting lesson, so students are actively involved in the lesson. Student centered होती है ये. And now disadvantages. Time taking sometimes come frustrate students who would prefer simply to be told the rules. Now fact in science. There are many such scientific facts such as the existence of gravity as a property of the small all matter. The word fact derives from the Latin word rectum and means a thing done or performed. In science, a fact is a repeatable, careful observation or measurements, also called empirical evidence. Now, types of facts. There are two types of facts: empirical facts and conceptual facts. First, empirical facts are things that we can assert about the world based on direct, straightforward observational evidences. Conceptual facts are things that we can assert about the world based on strongly held philosophical views that we have about the kind of world in which we live. Now, scientific concept. The concepts are system of classifying information and are generalized ideas. A concept is an abstract representing the fundamental characteristics what it represents. Now, characteristics of scientific concept. It is an idea or mode explaining some natural phenomenon. Concepts as a mental representation where concept and entities that peculiar to cognitive agents. Now, generalization. A generalization is taking one or a few facts and making a broader, more universal statement. A generalization as a term used in critical thinking is a statement that attributes some characteristic to almost or some members of a given set. Now, scientific laws. A number of similar and likewise fact like iron expands after heating give rise to generalized facts, and scientific concepts like solid gets expands after heating through the process of generalization. In this way, many scientific facts and concepts after proper generalization and the further verification may be accepted as scientific law in the world of science. Scientific laws, law of gravitation and Newton's law of motion. Law of gravitation, a law stating that any two masses attract each other with a force equal to a constant multiplied by the product of two masses and decided by the square of the distance between them. Now, we are going to discuss about Newton's law of motion. First law of motion. An object in motion contributes in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This law is known as also a law of inertia. Second law of motion. Everyone knows that heavier objects require more force to move the same direction in same distance that lighter object. This is force is equal to mass into acceleration. Third law of motion. For every action there is an equal opposite reaction. Now, scientific theory. Theories can incorporate facts and laws and tested hypotheses. A scientific theory refers to a comprehensive explanation of some aspects of nature that unifies a vast body of reliable knowledge. A scientific theory is a logical, systematic set of principles or explanations that has been verified. Now, nature and characteristics of scientific theory. Nature. A scientific theory in its formulation makes to all the related scientific facts, concepts, generalization, rules and principles. Theories help in the prediction that result of particular phenomenon or process can be known in advance with the help of theories. Now, characteristics: testable, replicable, stable, simple, consistent. Now, our video is complete now. Thank you.